Did you hear about the crayon that broke up with its partner? It just couldn't handle the pressure. It cracked up. Welcome back, color enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a vibrant journey into the world of crayons. Imagine a place where rainbows are born, where wax and color unite to create tools of imagination. It's a process as vibrant as the end product, full of color and a bit of wax, but no drama like our joke. So if you're ready to dive into this vibrant vat of knowledge, don't go anywhere. You might think a crayon's life starts in a Crayola box, but boy, you're in for a surprise. The birth of a crayon isn't as simple as it seems. It's a process that's as colorful and exciting as the crayon itself. So let's dive into the fascinating journey of how a crayon comes to life. First off, we need to create a color recipe. This might sound like we're baking a vibrant Technicolor cake, but hold your sweet tooth. These ingredients are not for eating. We mix different pigments to get the exact shade we want. Whether it's a fiery red, a cool blue, or a mysterious purple, every color has its own unique recipe. Now, imagine this color recipe as a dry cake mix. It's colorful, sure, but it needs something to bind it all together, and that's where paraffin wax enters the scene. Melted to perfection, the wax is mixed with our color recipe, creating a smooth, vibrant mixture. This mixture, folks, is the heart of our crayon. It's what gives the crayon its color and allows it to glide smoothly across your paper, leaving a trail of imagination behind. It's like the batter to our cake. Just remember, don't try to eat it. So we've got our color and our wax. What's next? The Crayon Gym, of course. Just like us, crayons have to hit the gym before they're ready for the spotlight. But don't worry, no crayons were harmed in this process. Now, you might be wondering, how does a crayon work out? Well, it's a bit different than your typical gym routine. Imagine a vat of colorful molten wax. This is the crayon's starting point. This mixture is then heated up, turning our crayon to be into a hot liquid soup. It's like the crayon's version of a hot yoga class where they stretch and flex into their ideal shape. Next, this heated mixture is poured into molds. Picture it as the crayon's weightlifting session. Each crayon gets its own personal trainer, a mold, that guides it to its perfect cylindrical shape. Once our crayon has flexed its wax muscles into the right form, it's time for a cool down. The molds are chilled, allowing our crayon to solidify and hold its shape. It's sort of like the crayon's version of a post-workout ice bath. This process is the crayon's workout routine, transforming it from a blob of wax and color into a perfectly toned, ready-to-color superstar. It's a tough job, but our crayon is up to the task. And voila, from a blob of wax and color, we now have a perfectly toned, ready-to-color crayon. But wait, it's naked. Now, we can't have our crayons strutting around in their birthday suits, can we? Absolutely not. This is where the real magic happens, the final transformation. It's time for our crayons to get all dressed up. Imagine this, a fashion runway, but instead of models, we have crayons, each one ready to flaunt their vibrant colors. But these crayons don't just wear any old labels. Oh no, they're wrapped in the finest paper labels, each one tailored to perfection. It's not just about style, it's about identity. Each label is like a name tag telling us the crayon's unique color. And let's be honest here, these crayons probably have a better wardrobe than most of us. I mean, how many of us can say we have a bespoke paper outfit for every day of the week? Not me, that's for sure. But our crayons, they're always runway ready, always picture perfect. Once they're all dressed up, they're ready to strut their stuff to bring color to our world. From a humble wax stick to a vibrant labeled crayon, it's quite the transformation, don't you think? And just like that, our crayons are ready to bring color to your life. Who knew such a small thing had such a big journey, right? And so there you have it. it, a crayon's life is more than just being stuck in a box. It's a vibrant journey from a simple blend of wax and color molded into shape to the final strut down the crayon runway, all dressed up in a snazzy paper wrapper. Next time you pick up a crayon, remember its vibrant journey. Thanks for joining us today. Stay colorful, folks.